This is video diary number 5-3, actually number 3, and this is Teresa again in math class. She has the senior prefect lanyard, but it's pretty lame because
you just hate you don't get one.
What are you talking about? I have the Princeps one. I have two now. This one and the one at home. See, Princeps actually means leader in Latin or student leadership, and I just flipped my camera and that's gonna cause some weird thing. Yes, Alice? No.
It's too late to hide. Video diary.
It's never too late to hide.
3 cups of tea. What? Yeah. Ew. Wait, for names? Okay, whatever.
That's supposed to be Mr. Flynn.
Yes, that is Mr. Flynn. This is a caricature from one of the spring bulletins, I believe, from years ago, and it's awesome.
He's hilarious.
And so, how is your day going today?
Fine.
How's your chem lab?